In this video, I'll show you how to save conversations in Google AI Studio. So when you chat with an AI model inside Google AI Studio, your conversations are now saved automatically. This is a recent change. In past, if you refreshed the page, your chat would disappear permanently. So now Google AI Studio keeps your chat history, so you can come back to your previous conversations and continue with your work. So to make sure it's working, I'm gonna just type, "How are you?" Then I'm gonna run this prompt. And now if you refresh the page, you should see on the left side in the chat history, this how are you? So we just need to wait a second. How may I help you? So it's here. And now you can click on it and this will redirect you to your chat. So I can open my older chat here. If you want to delete it, you can click on more options and then just delete, and this will delete your conversation. So this is how you can save conversations on Google AI Studio. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.